Students, welcome back to another video of English grammar. The topic is that we taking up today is perfect continuous tense. I have uploaded this video to make you understand better way of 12 forms of tense. If you will understand this video properly, then the concept of tense will be clear. Perfect continuous. Perfect continuous, which indicates that the action has been in progress and has three forms: present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous, and future perfect continuous. Present perfect continuous tense to show an action which began sometime in the past and is still continuing. Let's see example. She has been working for 5 hours. She has been working for 5 hours. And to express an action which is already finished but whose effect still persists. Let's see example. She is resting now because she has been studying since morning. She has been studying since morning. For and since are commonly used in this tense. For shows a period of time up to now, and since shows some point of time in the past. We have used to express the present perfect tense have or has, then been, then base verb ending in ing is used. To express the negative form, not is used after has or have. To form the interrogative, has or have is used before the subject. Past perfect continuous tense. The past perfect continuous tense is used for an action that began before a certain point in the past and continued up to that time. Let's see example. She had been talking on phone for a long time. The boy had been sleeping for 3 hours. So, action that began before a certain point in the past and continued up to that time. The past perfect continuous tense is formed with had, then been, then the base verb ending in ing. The negative is formed by placing not after had. The interrogative is formed by placing had before the subject. Future perfect continuous tense. The future perfect continuous tense is used to indicate an action represented as being in progress over a period of time that will end in future. This tense combines the meaning of completion and continuity. Let's see the example. They will have been flying to London for 4 hours by this time tomorrow, and we will have been cleaning the house all day by the time she returns. Action that will have started will have continued for some time and will still be in progress in the future, either before a specific moment or before another action takes place. The future perfect continuous tense is formed with will, then have, then been, then the base form of the verb ending in ing. The negative is formed by placing not after will. The interrogative is formed by placing will before the subject. Students, I would suggest you to make notes as well videos so that you do not forget. I just hope I make you understand and clear the concept. Thank you.